Hey guys, Mike is back with another video. Today we're going to take a look at the Extreme Boom Pro from the DOSS. And also I have a Bose speaker exactly for the same price. And we're going to compare the sound difference, how much difference between the sound. You can say, hey Mike, you got a different purpose speaker. This is a portable. I have a portable speaker for the 1/3, 1/5 of the price from the Bose, right? So we're gonna see a lot of video music. We're gonna listen side by side to multiple music, and I'm gonna give you all my thoughts how these speakers perform. Should you spend a lot of money for this brand name, or you can get a lot of music, a lot of power, a lot of sound for the exactly same price, right? As you can see, it comes with a very nice quality shoulder straps. It's included. It's the different companies who offering like similar price, like a JBL's. You have to buy the separate DOSS. It comes with the two nice full range speakers and the two tweeters. A lot of companies are using only one tweeter or just the speakers itself, but they're using two-way stereo system, stereo amplifier inside. Amplifier is a strong 100 watts, speakers 50 watts each, and the tweeter is at 10 watts. So it's a 10% from the power output, and it's very, very nice and bright playing speaker. Built and fit and finish, it's amazing. As you can see, a lot of functionalities. Then comparing with these different companies, similar companies, there are a lot of brand name companies. So you have to divide yourself like which side. If you want to do the research and get the best product for your money, or you advertise either and you think the Bose, it's going to be one of the best sounding system in the market, and this is one of the best, stay with the Bose, right? Because this guy's like always overpriced. It's amazing. For the Bose lower, it's going to be, this speaker is one of the best speakers in the market. You can't find any speaker better sounding than this. Right, last test, this small one, it was a little louder because it has a less bass from the Bose. So we're going to compare this loudspeaker versus the DOSS, right? So as you can see, this is 116.3, means a very, very loud speaker for the size. Alright, so this is made for boombox outside using. This is a splash proof, waterproof, in the rain you can use without any problems. Yeah, and just a blasting the music, right? Including, and the music quality, as you can see, passive radiators is producing a lot of bass here, and the bass, like comparing with the different speakers, is a subwoofer bass kind of, you know, when you're using small subwoofers, it's exactly the same kind of deep tone subwoofer bass, right? On the back you have multiple options. You have a USB output, you can charge your the phone, any MP3 players. Also it's going to play the music from USB input, right? Auxiliary input and USB-C fast charger, right? The battery is like a 10,400 milliamp battery, so it says enough to play a lot of parties, right? So now come back to the lightings. Lighting you can change with the single the buttons. As you can see, you got the multiple lights, the multiple scenario depending what you're going to do. Of course it's going to be sync or the link button, so you can link multiple those speakers between them, so you can have a lot bigger parties. And it's going to be modes. If you're using the USB stick or TFT card like micro SD card, you can read any MP3, wave music, all the music from that, so you don't need the Bluetooth connection all the time. DOSS is not long time like a Bose in the market, but absolutely like they have a lot of products, different products, and every single products they offering like a very good quality amplifiers in to fit and finish is that doesn't rattle like the cheaper companies. As you can see, they not cut the music when you going to 75% like these guys, like it's cuts all the bass after 65-70% and start to just boosting the mids, right? This goes exactly same quality sound up to 100% value. You don't care like me for the brand name and you want to just spend your money for the quality stuff. I think you have to look one of these the products. If it's this DOSS Extreme Boom Pro is a pricey, you can buy the cheaper or smaller speakers from the DOSS, and you will be surprising at how these speakers like they're performing right in the music section. Portability, you can buy some 1/5 of the price the portable speaker, you see that, and as you can see the sound quality is not the big difference right between them. Hope this video is going to help you guys. I'm out, also in the next video.